we can check the functions of the handles without even having to have the truck on. Right here we've got our drum and our brake joysticks. If I move the joystick one way, you'll see our voltage is going up. I come back and go the other way, we're moving. That tells me that there is voltage going to the coil and therefore running what it needs to run. On this section, if I move the brake handle, you can see on this lower section that the brake valve is working. If I go down to the next one, down to spooling and steering, you can see that as I move the stick left and right, my left and right on the steering is getting voltage and therefore will be working. Before you leave every page, make sure that you go up and hit that green down arrow button. If you do not, it will not lock the setting in and you will lose the setting and you're back to where you started. When you exit the program, go ahead, just X out of it. Unplug your cord. Plug this resistor back in, and you will want to toggle the power. No faults, you should be good to go.